This is what a relationship with your donkey can look like. Donkeys that meet you at the gate. They want to be near you. They trust you. But donkeys don't start here. If you're thinking about adopting a donkey, I want you to slow down for a minute because there's two very different donkeys you can bring home. One is untouched, wild, and unstarted. The other already accepts a halter, stands for grooming, leads, picks up all 4 feet, and will load into the trailer. Those are not the same journey, and choosing wrong can overwhelm both you and the donkey. Before our April adoption event, I want to show you what ready actually means and help you decide which path fits you. You can adopt an untouched wild donkey, or you can adopt a donkey that has already been gentled. If you start with untouched, you're building everything from the beginning. Halter acceptance, leading, feet, trailer loading, and their trust. That process is extremely rewarding, but it takes time, consistency, and a lot of patience. If you're excited by challenge and learning, that path can be powerful. If you feel unsure about what to do next, starting with a donkey who already understands the basics can be a really good fit. You're not skipping the relationship, you're just starting further down the road. You have choices. If you're serious about adoption, you'll start by filling out an application. You can do this online at wildhorsesonline.blm.gov. There you will create an account and then apply to adopt a wild burro or Mustang. Once you're approved, reach out to me and we can talk about which donkeys are available and which path might fit you best. If you want guidance, we offer donkey gentling camps. There we walk you through the beginning steps with an untouched donkey, or we help you build confidence and clarity with one that's already been gentled. You don't have to guess your way through this. We're here to help you along your path. What you're about to see is what it looks like when a donkey has graduated from the program.
It's your graduation day.
What that looks like when they're accepting halter, standing to be brushed, allowing all 4 feet to be handled, leading, and loading into the trailer. This isn't about tricks.
Here's what you do. You got to sneak up on the donkey like a predator. Pounce on him when he ain't looking. Ready, set, go. Nose.
It's about cooperation, reliability, safety, and even here, ready doesn't mean finished.
Number one, we catch the donkey. This is a clip. This is a donkey. Donkey clip. Let's take the donkey for a walk. It's called a donkey walk. Oops, are we going the wrong way? Let's go this way. No, you're going this way. I don't know. Let's get your trailer in there. Yeah. There you go. That's good. You're doing pretty good so far. Like a snack. Come back the other way. Let's go that way. Woo-wee! Good job. Let's go try and get in this big old scary trailer. You can do it. Good job, sweetie. Good job. Okay. Here, come another way. Here you go. Here you go. All right, let's donkey from the trailer. It's a donkey trailer. You can do this. You can do this. Come on, sweetie. Yay! We jumped out of the donkey trailer. We did. Okay. Well, I heard a story about a donkey foot. And each four corners of a donkey is a foot. It's very important to be able to pick up each one. We'll start with this one on this back corner. Ready? Yoo-hoo. Look at that foot. Oh, man. See, this here is a foot. And it's on a donkey, so it's called a donkey foot. And I bet there's one right up here just like that. You did a good job. Ready? Foot. This is a foot. It's on a donkey. It's also known as a donkey foot. Is it too soon for this for you? Can you wear that? You put it up here. What's that? Too soon? Because I haven't earned it yet. Yoo-hoo! I'm over here, sweetie. There you go. Get ready. Foot! That just looks like the other foot that was over there. Same donkey. Foot looks the same. There you go. Yoo-hoo! Get a snack. There's another foot back here, isn't there, Mary Jo?
I have heard that they have one back there.
No, you said you picked up all 3 feet 4 times on this donkey, right?
I picked up all 3 feet 4 times.
Okay. Good looking foot. Man, who does your legs, huh? Foot. Yay, another donkey foot. Not too bad.
Might want to do that one more time since she got a little bothered.
Let's go ahead and do it again. Here we go, kiddo. Here we go. Ready? Foot. That's a good foot, isn't it?
Good foot.
We good?
You gotta brush her.
Oh boy.
The time each donkey needs to get to this stage varies greatly. Some move forward quickly, others take steady small steps. And even after they accepted the basics, expect that it will take more time for them to do these things confidently and with new environments and with new people. Graduating as gentled and being ready for adoption is a beginning, not an ending. April will be our first adoption event. If you're considering adopting, take time now and think honestly. Do you want to start from the beginning? Or do you want to begin with the donkey who already understands the basics? Both are meaningful paths. Just choose one that fits you. When you're thinking about adopting, know that the basic requirements for adopting a wild burro include a 5-foot tall fence. They need to have a shelter, and they need to have about a 24 by 24 pen, or 400 square feet is what they do need.
Good job.
400 square feet. Now, having that gentling pen, the
here.
24 by 24, that's going to give you a smaller area to work on building trust. Now remember, I have over 1,000 videos to help you along your journey. I also have memberships with coaching or additional videos, just depending on what level you would like extra help at. Thanks for watching, and check out this video next.